Ta opokujan ye odokita ni ebe ni emua wabene pa wa Sikado Government Hospital the ne wode adese magana fo nyina brano yankwa sabia ne yankwohwe sede ye ni no ne bobretie on Adom TV atwaso
Metrist awo Sikado ayaresabia Dr. Bright Opokujan edi efutu amagana for se womu ehu se womu ni eyom ya womu nyentem enkwa ayaresabia se ne womu benya ayarehwe abra womu eye free health screening ama omanfo a womu wo takrade anaji ewo kwesimintim no wodi tudwa se omanfo ewo yare foforo a ahwode a womu ede kwa ayaresabia no aya na ewo soro sene obi a neni eye ne ya
yesu de nyipa bia wo ha be check wapo nti se once a year puna se bopa at least based on findings in us, doctor Subutumo recommend the debia on A, B, and C and T. Regular screening, ABA once every month, twice a year, and also once in 4 years. Healthcare no onye easily accessible by the majority of people. Inti say if organization be them was the health screening it was about or good, even though or the basics and the vitals in the whole use now was A, B, and C on or ye there ubia baba na wa baba.
Club President Edema Club no Angelina Yale ensemo di tudwani
Rotary Club of Takrade Anaji as part of your activities for the year. This is also one of them. The Eboko community they have health screening. So we are tackling eye and general health now. Free NHIS for them. Yeah, sugar, na hypertension, na shower your main aim there, your areas of focus. This falls under disease and disease treatment and prevention. In the other area, they choose kwesimintim because in the kwesimintim and more former. It was on go, you could meet me fee into my former no papa into health insurance and the eye free, a damn winning nara. And will be at least we had a nurse or follow up you hospital, natural car, so why free or damn.